good morning, class. How's everyone doing today?
Good.
Okay. Sorry, Caroline. Alright, so today we're going to be solving a two-step equation. So I'm going to hand out this worksheet for you to follow along with our lesson. Now, does everyone remember how to do a one-step equation?
No. Yeah.
Not really.
Dominica, you do? Great. Okay, so I'm going to write a one-step equation just as a refresher. So, for example, we have x minus 4 equals 6. Now, Dominica, what would we do first in this situation?
Add 4 to both sides.
Great job. So if we add 4 to both sides, x would equal
10.
Great. Okay, so in this equation, x is our, anyone know?
Variable.
Great job. So x is our variable, 4 and 6 are our constants, and the subtraction symbol is our operator. This is important to know when we go into solving two-step equations. So the next thing we want to do is solve the two-step equation. I'm going to write an equation on the board, and then we're going to solve it together. The equation I have is 2x plus 4 equals 6. Can anyone identify the variable for me? X, good job. X is our variable. Thank you, Dominica. Okay, so what about our constants? Ellie, do you know what our constants are?
4 and 6.
4 and 6. Great job. Constants are numbers that remain the same throughout the equation. And now we have this symbol, addition symbol. What would that be, Emma?
That's our operator.
That is our operator. Great job. Now we have a new part of our equation called the coefficient. Coefficient is usually the number that is right before the x, and it's either multiplying or dividing the x. So what we want to do is, first we're going to notice what our operators are. Addition. We want to do an inverse operation of our constants, so we would subtract because the inverse of addition is subtraction. We want to subtract 4 from both sides and get 2x equals, does anyone know what 6 minus 4 is?
2.
Great job. So 2x equals 2. Then we want to do the inverse operation of our coefficient. And our coefficient is multiplying our variable. So we want to divide both sides by 2. If we divide both sides by 2, we get x equals
1.
Good job. Okay, so we're going to run through just one example, and then I'm going to teach you a song to remember. So our example is 3x plus 6 equals 21. Now, if we notice our operator, what would that be? Emma?
Addition.
Great. So what would our inverse operation be?
Subtraction.
Great job. Then we have our coefficient 3, and that would be inverse operation of multiplication is?
Division.
Okay. So what is the first step we want to do?
Subtract 6 from both sides.
What is 21 minus 5? I mean 6.
15.
Okay, and what is our inverse operation of 3x?
Division.
Okay, so we want to divide both sides by 3 to isolate x. What is 15 divided by 3?
5.
Great job. Okay, so now we want to sing a song, and I'm going to teach it to you, and we're just going to sing it once. So it's to the song of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. In solving a two-step equation, all you need to know is this. Notice what your operators are. Add or subtract your constants first. Then you'll need to isolate x, so divide or multiply by your coefficient. Can we run through that just one time?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? In solving a two-step equation, all you need to know is this. Notice what your operators are. Add or subtract your constants first. Then you'll need to isolate x, so divide or multiply by your coefficient. Great job, class. I'm very confident in your abilities to solve two-step equations.